Good morning. I'm your AI host, and welcome to today's CBN Financial Market update. Here, what's driving stocks and what to watch as you evaluate your investment strategy. Markets opened the week on a cautious note, with mixed signals creating a somewhat uneasy backdrop for U.S. equities. While technology names are drawing attention and some optimism, broader concerns are tempering investor enthusiasm. The S&P 500 dipped modestly, and the Dow pulled back more sharply. At the center of the market's focus is Nvidia, as investors brace for its high-stakes earnings report due after the bell on Wednesday. This report is being viewed as a referendum on the strength and sustainability of the AI-driven growth narrative. Options markets are signaling potentially volatile reactions, suggesting a significant move could follow the earnings release. Adding to the tension, there's renewed debate over the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook. Rate cut expectations are softening as participants weigh potential inflation risks and economic resilience. Also compounding the uncertainty, economic data has been delayed, with key reports returning only recently after a long stretch of limited updates. On the corporate front, Alphabet, Google's parent, popped after a major vote of confidence. Berkshire Hathaway revealed a $4.3+ billion position, sending the stock higher. Meanwhile, Aramark shares slipped after disappointing earnings, reminding investors that not all companies are immune to earnings risk in the current environment. From a macro perspective, there's also some sobering commentary from bond market veterans. Jeffrey Gundlach, often called the bond king, warned today that many financial assets may be overvalued, including U.S. equities. He's advocating for more diversification away from U.S. stocks, suggesting a higher allocation to non-U.S. equities, as well as more cash on the sidelines. Internationally, Japan's economy contracted in Q3, adding a layer of concern about global growth. What this means for investors. Volatility ahead. With Nvidia's earnings looming, be prepared for sharp moves. If earnings beat big, it could reignite AI enthusiasm. If they disappoint, we may see a broader pullback. Valuation risk. The caution from Gundlach warrants attention. High valuations in AI and major tech may leave limited room for error. Diversification matters. Given the warnings about overevaluation, now may be a good time to assess your geographic and asset class diversification. Macroeconomic watch. Keep an eye on economic data, especially job reports and inflation metrics, as they may drive Fed expectations further. Good morning. I'm your AI host, and welcome to today's CBN Financial Market update. Here,